I'm not sure how much they like me filming here, so I'll get as much as I can before I'm asked not to film because I don't want to not be let in. We're on our way back to Italy. Long night, didn't get much sleep. It is local time in Italy. We're going to land really soon. Looking at the monitor here, it's 10:50 a.m. in Italy, which puts local time about 4:30 in the morning, I guess. But once we land, we got to go through get the luggage, go through customs, immigration. And then we gotta rent a car, then we gotta get on the road. I think that's now. Down to Roccaspinalveti, which is somewhere right around here. We don't have a window seat, so we're going to watch the landing on video. Ready to go. As soon as they open the doors, we will take off. They just announced that we're going to be taking a shuttle bus to our terminal, so I don't think we're at the jet port here. I think we're going to have to walk down. Looking around the airport, it seems like a lot of growth. It's a busy time of year. I noticed a lot of planes on the tarmac that they don't have places for them to get to a jet port, so a lot of shuttles on the runway today. So now we're in the airport. We'll go find our bags, cross the immigration. Line-free water and bathrooms. Really busy in Rome right now, so we're going through passport control and the line is really long. It's about 11:40 a.m. here in Rome, and we'll see how long it takes. Although I think our line might be a little bit shorter than the other ones, but we'll find out really quickly here. As you can see, it goes back pretty far. It's moving. They have water fountains for you to fill your bottles, and restrooms online. I don't always see that when I'm traveling. You usually have to go through passport control first. You can just use the restroom because it's really convenient. Okay, it's moving pretty good here. So keep going, make a line of 4. Okay, I think there's 4 different queues we have to choose from here, but it's still moving pretty good. It is Jubilee in Italy right now, so it's summer. But so far so good. Looks like there's a lot of closed lines too. So that could be causing a little bit of a delay too. I'm not sure how much they like me filming here, so I'll get as much as I can before I'm asked not to film, because I don't want to not be let in. It's kind of like a line at Disney World, but this one's moving pretty good. Okay.
Any?
Yep. Okay, it's here. So that took about 10 minutes to get through. Now we're going to go find our bags. Hopefully they should be here shortly, so it wasn't a total waste of time. Gave us something to do while we wait for our bags. We just need to find out which rack they're at. I have to admit, this is one of the busiest times I've ever seen the airport, so I have to pay close attention. Miami 12. So I'm looking for bag retrieval 12, which is probably all the way at the other end since we're only at 6 right now. But that's okay, puts us closer to the exit to get out of here, so I think we'll be okay. We haven't been here during this time of the year since we bought the house, so being Jubilee, it's going to be pretty crowded. But once I get in the car, I'm good to go. The smoking chamber over there. There, we're close to the exit, which is good because this is our bag claim right here. So that's going to be easier for us. And we just have to make our way up to the parking garage and then the car rental. So I think I'll camp out right here and wait for our bags. These are the first bags coming out, so I'm not too motivated that ours will be out quick, but we have 3, so, and they're easy to spot. See our first bag coming up here. Something I didn't mention, one of my new hobbies is creating sourdough bread. I've actually brought some sourdough starter with me. His name is Jeff, by the way. He's going to live in Italy for a while. So this is bag number 1. I see bag number 2, and we're just waiting for bag number 3. So far, these look good. I'll push these over here for now. And I see bag number 3, and we're ready to go. Next stop, probably restroom and then rent a car. Okay, so from landing through getting our luggage and passport control and the whole shuttle. It's probably about 20 minutes, I think, so very impressed. We have to go up the elevators over here. It's another line to queue up in to get to the elevators to go up. In Italy, they have 3 floors. They have the ground floor is 0, and the first floor and the second floor. So we have to go to rent a car on the second floor. Done it many times before, pretty sure. Right over here is the car rental, and we are looking for Hertz. We've rented from almost every car place here, so I don't know if we rented from Hertz before. Let's figure out which way it is. To the right. Okay. Yeah, it is very busy today, so fingers crossed this goes smoothly. Hertz, straight back. So we got to rent the car. Unfortunately, they didn't know what number space it was parked in. They just gave us a key. It's kind of cool key. It's like a key card. So I gave it to the service attendant, and he's actually walking around to see if he can figure out what car it was. I gave it about 3 minutes walking around, and found him, and he's going to find the car for us. So we got a compact car. I might just end up putting the seats down. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm just going to put the seats down, make it easy. It's just the 2 of us, so shouldn't be too difficult. It's a hybrid car, so hopefully it'll be good on gas. They just didn't tell us how much gas was in it. And it's got this really cool key. Kind of looks like a credit card. It's got all the buttons, but it doesn't have a key ring holder on it, so got to keep an eye on that. This one in. Back in the side. That feels good. Put this in the back seat, and I think we are good to go. We got the rent-a-car. We got our maps ready to go, and I'm gonna figure out how to get out of here. Oh, do I need a little ticket to get out of here, or do I just get
I don't
out?
think so. When we're returning with them.
really hot here, but it is a parking garage. But I think it's going to be like 90 degrees today in Rome. But it'll be cool when we get up in the mountains. So we got about a 3-hour drive. But I know I'm going to take my time because I'm going to probably make a stop or two, at least for groceries, maybe gas, and definitely some coffee.
You see that line of cup? Curves and we'll be out of the airport parking lot and on our way home. Driving, and I just crossed the line into Abruzzo, and I'm gonna stop at Auto Grill because I desperately need some coffee.